Cocolani Gardens. My name is Daniel, and these are beehives. So this is one of the few different varieties of beehive. It's one of our favorites, actually. It has a rust color, very earthy. We like to use it in a lot of different arrangements. Just like a lot of other beehive gingers, one way to determine the age or the maturity is look where the flowers are coming out from the bract. The higher the flowers are coming out in the structure, the older it is. Also, the colors. When these first come out, they are just this earthy rust color. As they age, they start getting pink and red, as you can see. So that's our hot tip of the day. Thank you for stopping by, and please subscribe below to continue to get some more tips, some more fun facts on all our tropicals, heliconias, gingers, and foliage.